Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today, we'll learn how to set up the email notifications. Email notifications or transactional emails are sent to your client at different stages of their journey. This email can't be disabled, but you can edit their content. Let's see how. Go to the menu Settings, Email Templates. You'll find here the list of all the transactional emails. Order confirmation, automatically sent to the client upon order payment. Order processed, automatically sent to client while the order is processed. Order cancelled, automatically sent to clients when the order is cancelled. User account created, automatically sent upon registration. Reset password, automatically sent when a user requests a password reset for their account. To change the content of an email, you simply need to click on the email. You then access the email editing part and the preview tool. Depending on the email chosen, several tokens will be available in the box on the right. Tokens allow recovering of the necessary information to render your email more dynamic. For example, the client's name or order number. So let's edit the text while being careful to not change the syntax of the added token. Save and preview. All done. To double check everything, I can send myself a test email by clicking here. Voila, you now know how to manage your shop email notifications. See you soon for another tutorial.